Good morning, everybody. This is BB Venture. I posted this crinoline fascinator on Art Lovers page, and some people said I should please teach them how I make it. This is how I make it. You need your binding wire, you need your needle, you need your glue gum, and your thread. What I did is, you cut this your binding wire, you measure 40 or 36, 40 or 36, measure 40 or 36. Then you roll, after measuring it, you roll it with net. You cover the binding wire with net so that it will not be naked. Now you will turn the left and the right of the binding wire. You turn it up to your size. Look at the way I turn it. Look at it. You turn it like this, and you turn this one too like this. You can see it. Then when you are finished turning it, take your crinoline. You fix your crinoline inside, and you do the hemming round. You do the hemming of your crinoline round, and you leave a small one at the back, so that one can form a base where you are going to put your Alice band or your wire, your Alice band or your rubber that you are going to use to hold your head. Now after doing that, you now sew the wire. Make sure you tie the wire on the net so that the wire will not be moving around. After you have done that, you take the two mouth, the two edge, like this. You take the two edge, you join it together. You see? You join your two edge together. That one will form these two shape at the back. Look at it. I'm going to join it now. You will see how it will stand. Join it together. See, I've joined it together. Do you see it? This back, this is it. Then you now take your base, you now draw that base together. Hold the mouth of the base, tie it together. Okay. Use it to form Then you take the other needle, you now use it to join this place in order to close the hole. Because I'm closing this place, this hole. I'm closing it together. See that I've closed it. Then you now bring your base down. Tack it. See that you have formed your base. This is the base. This is the design. Make sure you tack this one down so that it will be firm. After doing this, look at it. See, it has formed. Now, after doing this is where you are going to design. You design the front. I'm going to form a little design. I'll form a bow. That is how I make my design. Form a bow. Make sure it's not more than what we are doing. You join it together. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Just a simple design. In case some people don't know how to do the bow. Let's see it. Now, cut. Place your bow here. You tie it. Look at it. After that, you get your bias, white bias, or we call it ribbon. You can use your bias if you can do it, or ribbon. Then you use it to cover all this sewing. You cover the wire naked neck. After that, it will give you this. God bless you. If there is any question, please free to ask me. BB Venture.